The most useful form is to specify a default value for one or more argument. This creates a function that can be called with fewer argument than is defined to allow. So we're going to create a little program that's going to explain us how a default argument works. So we created a little program that's going to give us the power of a number. And then inside over here, as you can see, we have written a default argument of 2. So if somebody actually run this program and doesn't change the specific power that they want the number to have, it's going to automatically assign it to number 2. So this right here is considered a default argument. So we're going to run the program and it's missing one requirement. So we have to give it one number at least. Let's say 2 to the power of 2. And here you go, it's 4. But if you want to change the power to something different, all you gotta do is put a comma and put the different power in here, and this is going to change the program, which is now 8. So 2 to the power of 3. And this here is considered a default argument.